Welcome back to my channel. Let me clean you up a little bit. I'm Fit Trucker, also known as Travis. Call me crazy, but as you can see, it's snowing, and I'm gonna try to get me a slippery 5K in. Let's see how this goes. All right, guys, just starting off. So, snow is real soft. I don't know exactly how much of this I can get done, but I had to come out and try to run. The worst part about it is trying to figure out where I remember cracks and stuff like that are. Definitely gonna test me today. We'll see. Probably a big mistake, but I'm out here. We're definitely gonna get a 5K in. I gotta walk this section. Downhill, don't want to slip. Hold on. I'm at the monument. Forgive me, I can't stay long. It's snowing so bad, and it's getting thick. My blessings. I can't stay long. All right. Slightly downhill, so I gotta be careful. Good thing it's fresh powder. Haven't had a chance to solidify and make it slick. 2 miles down. 1 more to go. Oh yeah. That was a thick spot. You can't even see downtown. It's amazing how the handful of people that's out here are looking at me like I'm stupid. I know something that they don't know. I'm certified. If you ask the wrong people, yes. Other than that, I'm playing. No real exploring downtown like I should. but getting miles in is so good. So good. I did legs yesterday in the gym. Mostly a runner's workout. Legs are sore, but that's the goodness. That's a good thing. Working my legs might be the one thing that gets me back in the gym. It's a cop sitting right there. I'm finna jaywalk. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do this for you. I'm out here in this damn snow, freezing, looking very dedicated, very silly, and flat out crazy. But you made me do it. No, I do it for me. When I get to my car, I'm gonna feel so much accomplished. And that's the important part. And like I said earlier, at the end of the day, I'd rather be outside running. It's still early in the morning and we're almost done. Very interesting. It's like running on grass, running on sand, but I got it done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like it if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And we'll catch you guys back here next Friday. Catch you guys back here next Friday. Enjoy your week. Stay safe. Peace.